If you have clicked on this video, you must be searching for a side hustle idea along with your job, or you are completely broke and you want to start your online side hustle journey. Well, you have clicked on the right video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can earn a decent amount of side income along with your job, or even if you don't have any income, this income can support you using Upwork and automation. You don't have to do the work on your own. The work will be done by the bots and automation. It will just take 15 to 20 minutes for you to set up everything. So watch this video till the end and let's get into the video without wasting any time. So, if you haven't heard of Upwork, it is a freelance platform where buyers and sellers come together to exchange their, like, buyers buy work and sellers, of course, they freelance on this website. There are many, it's like Fiverr if you haven't heard of it. This is a bit different from Fiverr. Personally, this is my personal favorite because it pays a lot more than Fiverr. So, when you come on Upwork right here, the first step you need to do is sign up to Upwork. So to sign up, go to this sign up button right here and click it. And then click on I'm a freelancer looking for work. Apply as a freelancer. And then you have to fill a couple of details and then you can watch a very easy tutorial on the internet. There are many tutorials on the internet on how to set up a Upwork profile. So go watch that and you can easily set up your Upwork profile. Now what we are interested in is content writing jobs. So go to the search tab right here and then go to jobs and then search for content writing. Don't get intimidated by this content writing. You don't have to write the content on your own. I'm going to tell you one or two ways through which you can get some free content which will not be plagiarized and which will not be copied. It will be unique. So if I searched content writing jobs right here and there are many jobs that pay $2,000, $800, $25 to $75 per hour, and so on. There are many jobs, $1,000, $200. So once you signed up, you can apply to jobs on this website. So start applying to jobs. Apply to around 20 to 30 to 40 jobs. Don't get lazy and don't come to conclusions without taking action. So once you've applied to around 20 to 30 jobs, you will get one of those jobs. And once you get a job, what we are going to do to get free content is, suppose we want to know how to start camping. We will type in how to start camping. Quora. We're going to go to this website called Quora where people write their comments. Now there are people here who write their personal experiences related to the topic. If you are lucky, you will get few of these articles which are around like 3 to 500 words. So if you get two to three articles and combine those articles together, so how you want to combine those articles is go to Google Docs and go to this blank page and then go back to the article. So here are the basics. So this is a good article which I have found just now. Copy it and paste it into the Google Docs. Here are the basics, and then you can write something like my personal experience and then copy one of those articles which describes a person's personal experience. So you can go copy and paste it right here again. And this way you can create a very nice article and submit it to your client. And these words that are written right here are not copied from anywhere. These are the people who write these articles on their own. And this way you can get anywhere from $100 to $200 if you do just a little bit of work and just arrange these articles up and down in such a way that it looks really natural, and in a good way it can be presented in a good way. So this was the first method through which you can get content. If you don't like this method and you think that this is too much work, then I'm going to show you one more method that is easier than this method. Now, the next method to generate some free content is using Google Translate. So, suppose you've got a job and the client says that you need to write an article which describes how to start fishing. Like, what are the major tips for to start fishing, how to learn fishing or how to start fishing. So just type in Google Translate and type in right here how to start fishing, and then we want to convert this into a language, a different language, so that we can get articles and blogs of a different language. So I want to convert this into Chinese. So I click on Chinese and then I copy this text right here and paste it, and then click on search. So now what is going to happen is there are going to be a lot of articles related to this topic in Chinese, which are completely not plagiarized, completely unique. Now, one thing you need to do is go to Google and download an extension known as Google Translate extension. As I already have it downloaded, I'm going to show you how to use it. So go to this website for example. This website is related to fishing, right? So go right here, click on Google Translate, and then click on translate this page, and just by a click of a button we've transferred this art we've translated this article into English. Now you must be thinking that okay, that this article is not unique or it is plagiarized, it is copied from somewhere. We have a tool that is used to check this too, so I'm going to show it to you in a second. Now we are going to go to a website known as copyrightly.com. This tool helps us check whether our content is original or not. Because if the content is not original, we can get copyright, we can get into trouble for this, for copying content. So just go to tools and duplicate content checker, and then go back to the article. So if you want to check the whole article, what you can do is you can open Google Docs, arrange all this text into the Google Docs, and then copy and paste from there. So there are 8 grammatical issues, keyword stuffing is 4 issues, reliability is 1 issue. There's not a lot of issues right here. Now just the only thing that we need to concentrate on is checking the uniqueness. So we'll just wait for a couple of seconds. So it says plagiarism not detected, means the uniqueness is okay and everything is okay. You can submit it as your freelance work. So even if you do like 1 to 2 to 3 hours a day of work, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $300 a day doing this. But you should be patient, you should be consistent, and you should not come to conclusions without trying this. The people who are lazy are going to say this is fake or this is not going to work, but nothing is fake here. Everything is real because this is Upwork. Upwork is a platform which everyone trusts and most of the people know. Google Translate is a tool that everyone knows. Copyrightly is also a good tool. It's a very good tool to check whether the content is unique or not. So And if you don't want to use Upwork, you can also use Fiverr.com. Most of the gigs on Fiverr are not at high paying, but this content writing gig is a gig that is high paying because it takes a lot of time for other people to write content. But for us, you and me, we can do it very easily by the method that I have told you. So we'll write content writing, and people are charging 30, 40, 70, 90 dollars to do all this. There are many other ways to earn money being a middleman. Like Fiverr has a lot of cheap gigs, so you can buy gigs from Fiverr and sell it on other platforms like Upwork for more money. So if you want to know how to do all this and you want to see some more videos regarding these topics on how to earn money using Upwork, freelance, being a middleman, you can write it down in the comment section down below. And the link to my Instagram is in the description. If you have any questions in your mind, you want to talk to me, you want to do anything, you can just message me on Instagram, and I'll meet you in my next video.